Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to remove and replace windshield wipers on BMW E46. Most of those come equipped with a Bosch windshield wipers like that. Okay, that's the model right here, as you can see. So we're going to show you now how to replace those. They could be a little complicated if you've never done those before. So we'll show you what you need to do. Lift the wiper arm all the way up. You need to open that cap right there. Okay, and those are a little bit tricky sometimes. Usually you lift the front end up. Okay, like that, squish in and lift the front end up. You can see those two things. When you squeeze, those are the ones that lock it. And all you have to do guys, just pull it to the back, and now you have to carefully go through the hole here. We have a little bit different model here from another car that they're almost new. We just had it as a parts car. So we're going to install it exactly the same way. And you need to go until it clicks, locks itself, and you need to close the lid all the way. So we need to do the same procedure on this side as well. On the driver's side. Okay, squish in, open, and then we pull towards the back. And you need to be careful when you go through the hole. Those have different adjustments actually inside, so you can put them on a different vehicle. Okay, this one, it didn't go in all the way. Okay, now it did. You can hear audible click. Okay, and we have the wipers ready to go guys. See, those are not complicated at all. You just have to know how to open and close the little lid, otherwise you might break them. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.